Here I want to talk about the AMC financial performance. So here you can see that for AMC the total revenue is $2,302 million, not bad. And then you can see that most of it is from emissions, of course. But one surprising fact is that the food beverage sales actually occupy about $817 million. It is impressive. So a lot of people they are willing to buy the food and beverage sales in AMC. And then of course AMC also have other factor, okay? And then this occupy a small proportion of revenue, so I don't talk about it. And then you can see that for the food and beverage sales, the cost is just 153. So you can see that the profit margin is huge. The food one is huge. From exhibition cost, okay, of course, when there is Marvel movie, there will be a lot of exhibition, so is the model, the stuff expensive. Operating expense, okay, rent, 427 millions, other costs and depreciation. So here we can see that if the AMC want to earn money, one of the things it need to do is to increase the food and beverage sales. Sometimes when we go to AMC theaters, we mainly buy the popcorn, the Coke, and the hot dog. That's it. But I think the AMC should really think more about it, because you can see that food and beverage sales actually is a great driver for the higher revenue. So if it can engage more in here, then it will earn profit. Secondly, we all understand that nowadays for the past 3 or 4 years, there is not many movies which really attract us to go to the cinema. Oppenheimer, I went to cinema a few days ago. It was a great movie. That's why I went to cinema to watch it. But not many. I also watched the Barbie. Okay, it is an interesting movie, I would say. So in this case, I think AMC should really think about how to have more audience to attract. Maybe focus more on other aspects, such as some documentary or some other stuff, or it plays some old movie but with 4K screen level. So I think this is something that AMC should consider in order to earn the profit. So here I hope that you now understand more about the AMC revenue, and I believe that my strategy can help AMC to earn more profit. Thank you.